The first step is to open Cetec ERP and click Admin. Click Config Settings. Click Config Settings. Search for New Incoming and click Submit. This is the config setting you are looking for. Turn the config setting on by setting it to 1. Click Set. Now you need to set up new workflow stages. Click Admin. Click Maintenance. Click Data Maintenance. Scroll down and click Workflow Stage. Click Add Record. Add the object type of incoming inspection. Type in the name of the workflow stage you want to add. Scroll down and click Submit. Next, we need to add a custom form. Click Admin. Click Maintenance. Click Custom Form Builder. Click Create New. Set the object type to Incoming Inspection. Name your form. Type in a name below as well, which is a required field. Click Add. Click Create Form. Now we can set up incoming inspection rules. Click Admin. Click Maintenance. Click Incoming Inspection Rules. Click Create. Select a vendor. Here I selected Master Distributor. Add a part. Click Create. Click View Lines on the rule you created. Search for the workflow stages you created. Search for the form you created. Click Add. Open up an incoming inspection. At the bottom of the page you can see the stage you just created along with any others made. You can set a quantity accepted and rejected for the stage. Click Submit. To move stages, select the stage here that you want to move it to. Click Submit. That's it. You're done.